Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So today we are going to be discuss regarding the job openings on ServiceNow developer job. So this is the first job opportunity here. Go through that. Job role would be senior ServiceNow developer with BCM and the location is USA remote. So they are looking for 7 years of experience in ServiceNow and they are also looking for development background with preference for someone with ServiceNow BCM. So this is the job description they have given, and if you are interested for the job opening, you can go through. They didn't give any particular mail ID, so you can follow me and you can send your resume to that particular person. So this is the next job opening here. Role would be senior ServiceNow developer and in USA remote would be location. And this is the job description they have given here. Strong ServiceNow development background with preference ServiceNow BCM, like senior level proficiency in ServiceNow development and administration, strong customer interface abilities for requirement gathering and solution design. So these are all the description they have provided. Candidate should have solid understanding with software development lifecycle like SDLC phases and similarly with Agile and Scrum methodologies, and they are expecting from the candidate skills in building sustaining integrations between ServiceNow and external system utilizing REST and other APIs also. So these are all the main skills they are expecting from the candidate. If you have these skills and if you are interested for this particular job opening, you can go through this particular mail ID they have given here. So you can send your resume there to that particular ID. So coming to the next job opening here, role would be ServiceNow developer and expecting the candidate like expecting the experience from the candidate is 6 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate, and location is Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Mumbai, Noida, Kolkata. Notice period is immediate joiners, and overall minimum 5 years of experience in ServiceNow developer. They are expecting minimum 1 to 2 years of experience. Candidate should have worked on CSM specifically. So ServiceNow administration CSS certification is required for mandatory. So these are all the skills like a deep understanding of ServiceNow data models, table structures, and CMDB, excellent problem solving skills, and ability to handle complex technical challenges. So these are the main skills they are expecting from the candidate. So if you have these skills and if you are interested for this particular job opportunity, you can send your resume to this mail ID they have provided here, or else you can follow this particular person, Sai Kiran, I think so. You can follow Sai Kiran Kesetti, so you can follow him and you can send your resume to that particular person. So coming to the next job opening is like role would be ServiceNow developer. Like skills required, they're expecting skills from the candidate are scripting, integration, ITSM, ITOM, and ITAM. And job location would be Chennai location. Experience they're expecting from the candidate is 3 to 13 years of experience, and notice period they are giving 30 days or an immediate joiner. If you are immediate joiner, you can the candidate can be applicable for this job. So if you are interested for this job opening, you can send your resume to this. You can call him or else you can send your resume through WhatsApp to this particular number which is provided here. So coming to the next job opening is like a job role would be ServiceNow security operation developer. So relevant experience is 4 to 5 years. The candidate should have 4 to 5 years of experience in this particular skill. So this is the mandatory skill they have provided. Expertise in ServiceNow security operations. So if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resume to this particular person like Sangeeta.t. So or else you can follow to that particular person, Sangeeta Sutari. So you can follow her and you can send your resume to that particular person. So coming to the next job opening here, title would be ServiceNow ITSM developer and location is Los Angeles, CA, and certification of ITSM is required for the candidate. And if you are interested for the job opening, you can send your resume to this mail ID like ashish.infowaygroup.com. So you can send your resume to that particular person, or else you can follow him and you can send your resume here. So coming to the next job opening here, role would be a Tosca tester. They are looking for Tosca tester to join their team. Like these are the responsibilities: design and execute automated test cases using Tosca. These are the main skills they are expecting from the candidate, and the experience they need from the candidate is 3 to 15 years of experience they are expecting from the candidate. And job location would be Hyderabad location, and it would be a work from office mode. And notice period they are giving is immediate joiner or 30 days notice period they are offering here. So if you are interested for this particular job opening, so you can send your resumes to, they didn't given any mail ID, so that you can send your resumes to Spandana Kota by following her in a LinkedIn page. So you can follow her and you can send your resumes to that particular person. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies.